Here is the practice from chapter 11, the sentences from English to Latin. We are all as happy as possible. We are sumus. All is use omnes in the nominative plural. It's used substantively here. We are all omnes sumus, or sumus omnes. As happy as possible, we'd use quam plus the superlative adjective in the nominative plural, and I chose masculine here because we don't know the gender. Quam felicissimi or quam laetissimi. So felicissimus, and then you use the nominative plural masculine, felicissimi. Julia is smaller than Mark. Julia est minor, the comparative adjective in the nominative singular, masculine / feminine. Quam plus the nominative, Marcus. The mountain is rather large. When you use the word rather, it means you want a comparative. And without the quam, just the comparative. So mons et maior. Okay. Number 4, this one's important. This is what I was talked about at the very end of class. He is the grossest of all. When you have that of all, we use omnium in the genitive plural. So est, he is. Foidissimus, that's the superlative in the nominative singular. Omnium hominem or omnium virorum or simply omnium, okay, although we have men here, so this is used the genitive plural to mean of all. The names of the sisters are longer. I used bigger because we don't know the word for long yet, than the names of the brothers. So nomina, nominative plural, neuter. Nomina of the sisters, genitive plural, sororum, sunt, are longer. They're neuter plural nominative. Maiora, bigger. Quam, nomina, and also in the nominative plural again, fratrum, genitive plural of the brothers. In the largest city, today we just did in the smallest city, now we have the largest. In urbe maxima, ablative singular. The citizens, the kiwes, have more courage. Habent. And then when we want to say more of something, then we'd say plus plus the genitive. So plus virtutis. The largest bridge in the city is also the strongest. So pons maximus, the largest bridge in urbe, in the city. Etiam also est fortissimus, it is the strongest. Okay, and that's in the nominative as well. The verb to be, est or sunt or sumus or any of those, is like an equal sign. So whatever goes on one side, you put on the other side. The song of the poet is the prettiest of all. So Carmen is the nominative singular. Of the poet, genitive. Est is, and then pulcherrimum, because Carmen is neuter. Neuter nominative singular. Of all, omnium, genitive plural. The citizens are swifter than the enemies. Kiwes sunt celeriores, swifter, nominative, plural, comparative. Quam, then, the hostes, nominative, plural. Okay. The work of the best leader is easier than the work of the humblest leader, or most humble enemy, or I think it was most humble farmer. Okay. So the opus is the work. It is neuter, which is going to make a difference here. The work of the best leader, genitive singular, ducis optimi. Could remember optimus aum takes the second declension endings. Ducis takes the third. Is facilius. We need the neuter form of the imperative adjective. Quam opus humilimi agricolae. Humilimi is from humilimus, the superlative of most humble. And we need the genitive singular masculine, which would be the I. And agricolae is first declension. Marcus eats more food than Brutus. Let's just do that part. Marcus manducat. More food would be more of food. So plus cibi in the genitive singular. Quam Brutus. But Marcus is lighter than Brutus. So Marcus est levior, the comparative adjective in the masculine singular nominative, quam Brutus. On the highest mountain, You could do highest in two different ways. You can, well, monte, on the mountain would be ablative. Monte, in the ablative. Sumo, you would use like from summa salem, highest, or altissimo. Both are fine. The lapides, the stones, are larger than lions. Sunt maiores, nominative plural, comparative, quam leones, nominative plural as well. The feet of my sister are smaller than the feet of my brother. Don't worry about the my part. Pedes, the feet, plural, of my sister, sorores, genitive singular, are minores, smaller. This is the comparative adjective in the nominative plural, quam pedes fratris. They are the most graceful women in the city. Sunt gracilimae feminae or mulieres in urbe. And that is the chapter 11 practice.